Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 6.5 question number 7. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and the diagonal is 41 centimeter. So the question is about rectangle. So let's take a rectangle figure. So we have taken a rectangle now. So they have given us clearly the length is 40. So this is 40 centimeter. And the diagonal is 41. So any one of the diagonal we can draw. So this diagonal I am taking 41 centimeter. Now we need to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So outer path we need to find out. Perimeter we need to find. So length we know that, breadth we don't know. So let us take this value we don't know. Let us take it as B itself. So breadth we need to find out. Basic condition for the rectangle is all the angles are right angles. All the four angles are right angle. Now let us take A, B, C, D is a rectangle. I can say that DAB is a right angle triangle. So DAB is a right angle triangle. So from the diagram, in triangle name is DAB is a right angle triangle. Angle A is equal to 90 degree. In this triangle, whenever you are getting a right angle triangle, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So I am going to apply the Pythagoras theorem here. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we have a rule. Hypotenuse side, when you are squaring, that will be equal to side square plus side squared we can write. Now we need to find out which is a hypotenuse here. Hypotenuse is nothing but longest side, or we can say that which comes opposite to the 90. Opposite to the 90 we are getting 41. So we can write it 41 squared equal to side squared. One side is 40, another side is B. So 40 squared plus B squared we can write it. Now the plus 40 squared you bring it to this side, that will become minus 40 squared. 41 squared minus 40 squared equal to B squared we can write it. So either 41 into 41 you can find, 40 into 40 we can find, then we can do the subtraction. I am just going to tell you a small shortcut here. Children, whenever you are getting like this a squared minus b squared, this is look like a squared minus b squared, we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. This is very easy for the multiplication. So 41 squared and 40 squared. So a squared minus b squared, the answer will be a plus b, a minus b. So a is 41, b is 40. So we can write it 40 plus 41. Or 41 plus 40, anyway you can write it a minus b. So 41 minus 40 which is equal to b square. 41 plus 40 is 81, multiplied by 41 minus 40 is 1 which is equal to b square. So 81 ones are 81 which is equal to b square. So 9 squared equal to 81 which is equal to b square. So when the powers are equal, bases are also equal, so b is equal to 9. So breadth of the rectangle we can say that is 9. So let's get back to the question now. Find the perimeter of the rectangle is a question. So perimeter of rectangle perimeter formula. Children, perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. Length, breadth. That will be 2 times length and 2 times breadth will be added, or else we can apply the direct formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So 2 you keep as it is. Length is already given as 40 plus B value we have found that is 9. Now we have to do the simplification. 2 into 40 plus 9 will give you 49. So we have to multiply. 9 2s are 18, balance 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So 98 centimeter will be the perimeter of the given rectangle. That is our correct answer. Now look at question number 8. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Now diagonals are given for a rhombus. We know that rhombus means all the four sides are equal, but diagonal length will not be equal because all the angles are not 90. But we have a basic condition. Diagonals meet at 90 degree for a rhombus. Both the diagonals will meet at 90 degree. That is a condition we are having. Now two diagonals are given. One diagonal is 16, the another diagonal is 30. So let us take, suppose this is A, B, C, D is a rhombus. So they have given two diagonals, that is diagonal 1 is equal to 16, diagonal 2 is equal to 30. So let us take AC is a diagonal 1. So total AC this one let us take it as O. So diagonal one is AC. So AC is equal to 16. The whole thing is 16. What will be the half of it? It will be 8. This side 8, this side 8 you should consider because totally 16 you want to get. Diagonal 2 is 30. 30 is nothing but BD. The diagonal length is BD. So the total is 30. What will be the half? Here it will be 15. Here also it will be 15. Now we have to consider any one of the triangle. So let us consider DOC is a right angle triangle because diagonal meet at 90 degree. So any one of the triangle we can consider. So I am going to consider this triangle. Now in this triangle, triangle DOC, we have angle OC equal to 90 degree. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, we can apply the rule. What is that rule? Hypotenuse square is equal to side squared plus side squared. So in this one, what is a hypotenuse side? This one is a hypotenuse side, or DC we can say that. The side which is coming opposite to the 90 degrees is a hypotenuse. So here we are getting x. So x squared equal to side squared plus side squared. One side is 8, another side is 15. So we can write it 8 squared plus 15 square. Now x squared equal to 8 squared is 64, 8 8s are 64, 15 15s are 225. So x squared equal to, we are going to add it, 4 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 6 is 8 and this 2. 289. So the last number is 9. So definitely this is a square of the 17 squared. 17 17s are 289. So since the powers are equal, bases are also equal. So x is equal to 17 we can say that. So what we are getting from this one means side of the rhombus is 17. Any one of the side is rhombus we are getting. X is equal to 17 we got it. We all know that in rhombus all the four sides are equal. So this is 17 means this also 17, this also 17, this also. So I can say that x is equal to 17 centimeter. Now side of a rhombus is equal to 17 centimeter we are getting, but in your question they are not asked you to find the side alone, they are asked you to find the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but the outer boundary of the given shape. Perimeter of the rhombus equal to 4 multiplied by the side, because all the four sides are equal, right? So same formula what we are using for the square, the same thing we can apply for the rhombus also. So 4 into side. So 4 into the side value 17. So 4 into 17 is the answer. 4 7s are 28, balance 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 68. So 68 centimeter is your correct answer. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.